Verse 2. Do not be conformed to this world.
You see, do not be conformed. Now, when you conform to the world, what are you doing? You are killing the fire now. You are killing what? The fire. You are quenching the Holy Spirit now. Let's go.
Do not be conformed to this world or this age, fashioned after and adapted to its external superficial customs, but be transformed, changed by the entire renewal of your mind.
What's transforming you now? You have given your body as a living sacrifice. Now, what transforms you? The fire transforms you. It changes you into another. You become different. Members of your body consumed. Consumed. It means now we are changed. Okay, let's go.
But be transformed.
Be transformed.
Changed. By the entire renewal of your mind.
By the entire renewal of your mind.
By its new ideals and its new attitude, so that you may prove for yourselves what is the good and acceptable and perfect will of God.
After you have been consumed, you will prove what is acceptable to God. Now you have changed from being an ordinary person into being a worshipper. Meaning, if you are a worshipper, you begin to know what is right for you. You know what is good for you. No worshipper can be robbed. No worshipper can be robbed. Revelation chapter 4 verse 10, it says they are all casting down their crowns. But you are holy. Would you come there and say, hey, they are focused. They look into fire. They don't change. You are holy. You are holy. 24/7, you are holy. You are holy. It means a worshipper is uninterrupted. A worshipper does not shift her eyes and look at other things. So you can find yourself saying you are worshiping. Or I'm a prophet. Yet you are a prophet of doom. Yes. It happens. People do say that. Hey, mina un prophet. Hey, mina un apostle. Mina un fundis. Hey, mina un bishop. Marana pego ya banda yo. Akhuluma nje uze ice kuphela. Uzakhala itrefizwe yabona echuma uzitela umuntu usefridge, no? But you carry what? The title. Where is the fire of God? Where is the fire of God? If that fire lives in you, there's no members of your body that are not transformed. You are changed completely. Your mind is changed. You become another person. You are different. Completely consumed. Completely what? Let's go.
So that you may prove for yourselves.
You may prove. Look at how God trusts you. You will prove for yourself. Because you have reached the level of being a worshiper. Now you prove for yourself, is this thing good for me? Will it not disturb my worship? I will never lose my song. It means I will never lose my body, my worship. I am a song to God. I will never lose my song. You will prove for yourself. So if you don't become a worshiper, it's not easy to prove for yourself. You need someone to come and prove for you. You need someone to prove for you. Let's go.
So that you may prove for yourselves what is the good and acceptable.
Now you begin to know what is acceptable for you.
and the perfect will of God.
And the perfect will of
nentando
God.
ephelelisiwe
Now you
kaNkulunkulu.
know the perfect will of God.
Manje uyayazi
Because you are a
intando kaNkulunkulu, ngoba
worshiper.
uyindumisi.
You are a living sacrifice.
Uyu-
You are that
unikelo
smell.
ophilayo, uyilelo okhulu.
Uyimpepha.
Uyimpepha.
Ushile. Ushile. Completely bent. There's nothing left of you.
Akukho kuselo kwakho.
Let's go.
Even the thing which is good and acceptable and perfect in his sight for you.
Now you begin to see things that are also on the side of God.
Uyaqala ukubona
So
izinto
Revelation
eziseceleni
chapter 4,
kwaNkulunkulu.
they are all looking. Looking at him, they also see what is good for them. They also see what they are looking.
Babhekile.
Babona yonke into ebalungele nelungele uNkulunkulu. Woo, because they are worshippers.
Ngoba badumisi.
Now if you are not a worshipper, yonke into ikulungele. Ne-anger ikulungele. Ne-jealousy ikulungele. Offense ikulungele. You begin to mix
Uyaqala
the
uyahlangana
incense
impepho
with the wrong spirit.
nomoya omubi.
You'll have a bad smell in the spirit.
Uzoba nephunga elibi
And
emoyeni.
demons will deal with you.
Amadimoni azobhekana nawe.
Azokuqima umlilo. That will be the end of you.
Kuba ukuphela kwakho.
Let's go. Let's repeat it.
Verse 3. For by the grace,
By the grace.
the unmerited favor,
Repeat and go.
so that you may prove for yourselves what is the good
What is the good?
Yini okulungile?
What is the good? So it means akunamuntu okhona ukutesta into emlungele until afike ku level ye worship. Huh? Now Ephesians chapter 4 verse 1. Live a life worthy of your calling.
Phila impilo efanele ubizo lakho.
So Jesus meets with the Samaritan woman.
uJesu uhlangana
She's
nomSamariya.
busy with 5 husbands,
Unamadoda amahlanu.
not knowing what is good for her.
Engakwazi ukumlungisa.
But she was still not satisfied.
Kodwa
Jesus
behamba
says,
nensika.
even the man you are with,
Uthi nale ndoda onayo
he's not good for you.
akakulungelanga.
Even the man you are with, he's not yours.
Akusuye wakho.
Meaning he's not good for you. Then
Akakulungelanga.
Jesus says, the kind of water that I will give
Uthi
you
yilawa amanzi engizokunikeza
will
wona.
cause you to worship God in
Azokwenza
truth
ukuthi
and in
udumise
spirit.
uNkulunkulu
The
ngokuqiniso
moment you
ngokomoya.
know what is good for you,
Ngathi owazi okukulungela.
uzawalahla amabhakede. Uzawalahla amadoda ayi-5 ngoba sowuyazi ulungelwe yini. Uzabalahla abafazi ayi-5 ngoba sowuyazi ulungelwe yini. You go to the throne room now. You find out what is good for you and
Uyathola yini
God.
okufanele wena noNkulunkulu.
You find out what is good for you and
Uthola
God.
okufanele wena noNkulunkulu.
Looking at the throne. Awubhekanga emhlabeni. Ubhekele esithulweni sobukhosi. Mara la emhlabeni. But ubona yonke into eseceleni kaNkulunkulu for wena naye. Oh. Imagine you are looking at your business in heaven.
Ubheke ibhizinisi yakho ezulwini.
Who can deal with it on earth?
Ubani ongabhekana nayo emhlabeni.
If it's in heaven,
Uma
on
isemazulwini.
earth it shall prosper.
La emhlabeni
On earth no one will touch it.
La emhlabeni
Because
akekho
in
ozothinta.
heaven,
Ngoba ezulwini
let your will happen
intando
on
yakho
earth as it
amayeze
is
emhlabeni.
in heaven.
Njengoba injalo.
So a worshipper sees.
Dumisi njengoba abona.
A worshipper sees what is good for
Umdumiso
them.
uyabona okumfanele.
Repeat and go. Many people don't know what is good for them.
Abantu abaningi abakwazi ukubalungela.
That's why we're all over. Gcwele wonke lamasonto. Gcwele bonke labafundisi. Not yet a worshipper. You are in error. You are busy looking for husbands.
Sekhutheni
You are
ubhekana
busy
nomndeni.
drinking from different rivers.
Uphuza emanzini
Pastor,
emfuleni ohlukile.
ngenzeka ukuthi akusumanzi lawa avuthisayo ilawa acimayo. Basop. Basop. Basop.
Qaphela.
Wakubamba umoya wokuzula zula. Fane nomSamariya uyele. Hayi la ngapha ngithola lento engiyifunayo. Ngiyangapha. Hayi ngapha ngathi abangivezi ukuthi ungubani. It's not about ukuthi ungubani. It's about being a worshiper.
Kungokuthi ube umdumisi.
The first thing you must know, be a worshiper.
Kufanele uyazi uba umdumisi.
Don't look for ukuthi hayi ngathi gift yami. Are you a worshiper?
Ingaba ungumdumisi.
Can be gifted but not being a worshiper.
Ungaba nesipho kodwa ungabi umdumisi.
Not being a worshiper.
Ungabi
Not satisfying God.
Unganelisi uNkulunkulu.
And you are in a danger that gift can turn
Usengozini ukuthi leso sipho singaguqulwa.
and become another spirit.
Ube umunye umoya.
Any anything that is in the fire,
noma ngabe yini esemlilweni
it's protected by that fire.
ivikelwe yilowo mlilo.
So if you want to deal with it,
Uma
remove
ufuna
the
ukubhekana
fire.
nayo susa umlilo.